Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Credit One app for payment management. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your smartphone. Go to your device's App Store. For Android devices, this is the Google Play Store. For Apple devices, it's the App Store. In the search bar, type Credit One Bank. Press the search button to view the results. Locate the official Credit One Bank app in the list. Verify that the app is developed by Credit One Bank. Tap on the app icon to open the app's detail page. Next, look for the Install button and tap it. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, find the app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the Credit One app icon to open it. You will be prompted to log in or create an account if you don't have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. If you're a new user, enter your personal information as requested. Once your account is set up, you can start managing your payments. Explore the app's features to make payments, view statements, and check your balance. And that's it. You're all set to manage your payments easily with the Credit One app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.